I never saw myself as a homeschool parent, but the traditional school system was not a good fit for my family.
It could not accommodate the needs of my son.
My son just wants to play, and maybe playing isn't that bad after all, as long as it's with a purpose.
When I found classical conversations, I thought, this is something that could work for us.
They were singing songs, they were memorizing history information and math facts.
And I'm like, where was this when I was a kid?
Best of all, I am not homeschooling alone.
I have community for accountability every week.
And now I have the assurance that God is at the forefront of my son's education.
And now my children are like, I don't ever want to stop learning.
This is why I chose CC.
This is why I chose CC.
This is why I homeschool with classical conversations.